is Harvey Jai from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add an email address or email account to your mailbox in your iMac, MacBook or any version of Apple computer. Here my mailbox, if you don't see here, go to Launchpad. Here you see mail or type mail. Click this one to open. Okay, my mailbox is here. So when it's open here, if you have some email address is connected, you will see that. If you don't have, you will not see anything. Here at the corner you see mail, accounts. Third option, hit accounts. You can add any account from here. You can add to iCloud accounts, Exchange account, Google, Yahoo or AOL or other account as well. I hit other accounts. I hit email accounts. You have to put which email account you want to add here. I have a custom email address of my page. I want to add that. I put iriscommunication.com. Password you have to put. Then you have to hit sign in option. It's telling me unable to verify passwords or sign in. I hit pop here, the change option. You have to have all the data from your page. So I go to my iPage. This is client setup of my iOS communication mail here. For Apple Mail, you see pop-up iMac, what information I should put. Your name, you should be as this mailbox, impipage.com. So incoming mail server should be IMAP, iPage. You have to know which one is. I copy here. So I put incoming mail server here, paste is done. SMTP is the same SMTP iPage. If you are doing your custom mail, you have to do that. If you are adding Google or other mail, you don't need to do this thing. So I put here paste. Now hit sign in option. Let's see. Okay, it's done. Very simple. I hit done button. So email address is attached to my Apple Mail. I close here. I go to inbox here. So inbox, all my email is coming directly from my mailbox of iOS communication. So this is the way you can connect any email address, including your custom email, to your mailbox of iMac, MacBook Pro or Apple computer. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.